Sundays with Selma. Today I am going to prepare beef peralan. Let's get started. We need the following ingredients to begin. Chilli powder 1.5 tablespoons, coriander powder 1 tablespoon, turmeric powder 1 teaspoon. Soak the above chilli, coriander and turmeric powder in 3 tablespoons of water and mix well. Whole spices: fennel seeds 2 teaspoons, cinnamon stick a small piece, black pepper 1.5 teaspoons, mace a small piece, cardamom 2 numbers, star anise half piece, cloves 2 numbers. Grind the above whole spices together for meat masala powder. Beef cut in cubes 3 pounds. Onion thinly sliced 4 cups. Garlic cut into small pieces 2 tablespoons. Ginger cut into small pieces 2 tablespoons. Green chilli sliced 3 numbers. Curry leaves 4 sprigs. Tomato diced 1 cup. Lemon 1 number. Salt to taste. Oil 3 tablespoons. Water half cup. First, let's cook the beef. We are going to put the beef in the pressure cooker along with half of the green chilies, 2 sprigs of curry leaves, half of the ginger, salt to taste, and half cup of water and mix well. Cook on medium flame until you hear 6 whistles. Turn off the flame and set aside. Wait until the pressure is completely gone to open. It takes about 15 minutes. Now our beef pieces are well cooked and soft. Next, we will make beef peralan. Heat 3 tablespoons of oil in a pan. Add the sliced onions, salt to taste, and saute on medium flame. When onion turned on light brown color, add the rest of the green chilies, curry leaves, garlic, ginger, and saute well. Turn the flame on low and saute the soaked spice powders about 2 to 3 minutes. Now to this, add the grounded whole spices and mix well. Don't forget to adjust your spice level. To this, add the diced tomatoes and finally saute. Tomatoes are well cooked and soft. Now, at this stage, add the cooked beef to it and stir fry for 3 to 5 minutes. Squeeze some lemon juice into this and mix well. Make sure masalas coated into the beef pieces. Add the stock and mix well. Cover with the lid and cook till the gravy becomes thick. Do not forget to stir occasionally. Our tasty beef peralan is ready. Transfer this to the serving dish. Our delicious beef peralan is ready. If you like this recipe, please share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.